And that's the old water heater being removed. It's a state select. It's got a lot of water that is still draining. And this is the Kitek connector which has been replaced. Essentially he's using a PEX connector which he's kind of clamped on using these o-ring clamps, and that's what he's using. This is the old one, the KTC. It's a Kitek adapter. It's KTC F1974, which we removed. This is the clamp that came off with that connector, which he cut the clamp. These are no longer available in the US, so they're not easily available. So hopefully this solution works. This is how it used to be. With that blue Kitek pipe over there. And now he's just using the PEX connector. The type of connector he's using is this one. Apollo PEX is the brand, I think. PEX A barb to 2 MPT 3/4 inch.